Hi, Heather Gibson here, Doctor of Physical Therapy, and I wanted to do just a quick little video about some awesome home tools and devices that you can use if you are recovering from an injury or surgery at home. So I recently had an ankle reconstruction, and I am just after, let's see, about 4 weeks out from my surgery, and I recently got cleared to that awesome walking boot, but still having tons and tons of stiffness. So ankle here, it's pretty swollen. I don't have a lot of mobility, and again, I'm in the boot most of the day. So when I can, trying to get the ankle out of the boot and work on it a little bit. Okay. So one of my favorite devices that I love for home after surgery is having a home TENS unit. I think these are great to help manage your pain. So they don't take the pain away, but they do generally help to basically like disrupt and break up that pain cycle a little bit. Different settings on there, depending on your preference, what intensity you might like. But generally you feel kind of like a tingling or tapping sensation with these. And this one here, I love this one. I get these off of Amazon. Actually has a setting to get a little bit of a muscle contraction. So if you're cleared to do so and can start getting some more movement in there, I think this is a great way to help you find the muscle contraction. And generally for the ankle, so for me, I'm going to set it up along my muscles here, and then around the inside of the leg muscles there to help out with waking those muscles back up, okay? The other thing I love for home after surgery is home cupping sets. So if you've ever had cupping done, it's a great way to improve mobility and help with pain and muscle tension. And they do make these awesome sets for home. Generally, you can get them online. I get these on Amazon too. In a little baggie, they come with 4 or 5 cups. And then you can pop them on the areas, let's see, where you have a lot of tightness. I always think it looks kind of crazy, right? But you can let it sit there for 30 seconds or a minute or so. Or I like to kind of take it and just slide it up and down to release some of that fascial tension, okay? So really a great way to get things moving a little bit better. And most of the time after doing so, it feels really good, okay? All right. A stretching strap. I love these. So a million brands, but again, type in yoga stretch strap. There's handles and a bunch of different loops in there. But for this one, let's see, you can get it around your foot and then gently kind of start pulling it, pulling it towards you. All right, so again, if you've been cleared to start some stretching, but you're not really allowed to weight bear on it yet and push into a stretch that way, I think these are awesome. They tend to work a little bit better than just like the exercise resistance bands because they are more dense and sturdy, right? And then obviously you got to get yourself an ice pack for home, right? It works better than the frozen peas. Get yourself one that you can kind of wrap around there. These little cases I have on there are washable. They're awesome. But yeah, I hope that helps. Best of luck with your recovery. And again, as always, reach out to your own PT or doctor if you have any more questions regarding your own specific injury or surgery and your rehab process. Best of luck.